Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to fix the WhatsApp login not available right now error on Android. First, do not panic and do not tap Contact Us immediately. This error means WhatsApp has detected unusual activity or too many login attempts. It's a temporary block, usually lasting a few hours up to 24 hours. Go back to the WhatsApp login screen. Make absolutely sure your country code is correct. Then verify the phone number matches exactly what's on your SIM card. No extra digits, no spaces. Clear WhatsApp cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage. Tap Clear Cache first. This removes temporary files that may be causing the block. Do not tap Clear Data unless you have a backup, as that deletes your chats. Update WhatsApp to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and check if there's an update available. Tap Update if you see it. An outdated version can trigger security restrictions that prevent login. Hold your power button, tap Restart, and wait for your phone to fully boot back up. Open WhatsApp and try entering your number again. A fresh restart clears network states that sometimes interfere with WhatsApp's verification servers. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, connect to Wi-Fi. Sometimes WhatsApp's security system flags your IP address. Switching networks gives you a fresh connection and often resolves the block instantly. If none of the above steps worked yet, this is a time-based ban. WhatsApp's servers will automatically lift it. Wait at least 3 to 12 hours before trying again. Do not keep retrying. Every failed attempt resets the timer. Still blocked? Contact WhatsApp support. Email support@whatsapp.com. Include your phone number with country code and describe the issue. WhatsApp support can manually review and lift the restriction on your account. And that's it. Those are all the steps to fix WhatsApp's login not available right now error. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe.